One of the key parts of the national curriculum is to use easy, cheap, readily available materials. And one of the great pieces of material that you'll find lying everywhere is Styrofoam. First of all, just outline the shape. As you can see, I'm not very good at Urdu, so I have to play around with it. That's fine. Outline the shape. Three things that you need. You need a heat source. Gas is perfect. You need some kind of a knife, and that's going to get very hot. So you'll need a pair of pliers, perhaps, or something to hold it very firmly. So all you have to do is turn on the gas and just lay that metal down. Have a cup of tea until it gets really hot. Remember, that's going to be super hot, so don't touch it with anything. The blade will get hot for some time, then get cool. You have to heat it again, so you have to keep on doing it.